my advice would be research, lots and lots and lots of research, you know, to the point where you know it inside out. But that's the way I am personally. I know some people who just fly by the seat of their pants. Yeah, from the point of view of how it's affected us as a family, I think it's really made a huge difference to us. You know, right from the outset, creating a family space, bringing light back into the house was really important to us, and just having an environment that we can all get together and spend time together in, you know.
Just wasn't a nice enough space to relax in, whereas now the kids love it. They sit up on the island, they have their breakfast, they have their lunches, dinners, they watch TV in here, they play in here, they do their homework in here, they do crafts in here. They love it, and we spend a lot more time cooking and enjoying it, really.
Definitely.
Whereas, and I enjoy cooking now, whereas before I was just like couldn't stand it because I just didn't like being in our old kitchen. The girls love it. They love sitting there and looking at the clouds going by, and they're like, it's like the house is moving if you sit still, and it's like it's cute.
You can really while away the hours, you know. So yeah, it's really nice. Definitely made a big difference.
And in the evening when you do get some stars, it's nice to sit here with the low lights and looking through the lantern. It's lovely.
Definitely.
But I think you'll find us all here together a lot more than we ever have before. I think when we had our old layout, it would be me and Andy in the living room, the girls upstairs, whereas now we're just all migrate to this space, I think, quite a lot. So it's definitely been good for us as a family, and we eat more together as well because of that too, because we've got a nice space to dine in. We
were pretty much on the budget we set. We pretty much hit that, and I think from the point of view of creating an environment we're all really happy with and happy to stay in, you know, I think we've definitely done that. And I think, you know, once again, that's in no small part to the styling of the sort of products we put in place.
I think for me it exceeded my expectations. The final result, seeing the lantern in, seeing the doors in, it just went from something in your head to, oh my god, it's actually better than what I had in my head.